Hey guys, welcome back to my video. This is going to be the last video for a while, I think. Maybe not. I don't know. I think I still got one or two more phones coming, but this is going to be one of them. So I hope you guys enjoy the videos coming up, because there should be a couple of them that should be uploaded tonight for you. Now this is a Alltel phone. It is a Alltel Blackberry 8830. And I think it was working, but I can't remember because it's been a while. It's been here. So there it is. Nothing in the box. So here it is. It is a 3G device, and it's Alltel. Yeah. So I feel a battery in it. Of course, it's bloated because it's a Blackberry international roaming sticker. Very interesting. No SD card. Oh, it does have a SIM card slot though, right there. Is this a world device? Yeah, there it is. Okay, world edition. That's why. Battery looks like it's got water damage, maybe. The phone sticker is okay though, so maybe it's just the way the battery looks. Battery's kind of bullshit. I doubt it'll hold a charge. I'm gonna get the cover back on it, and yeah, a nice deep scratch right there. But there it is. I do like the way this one actually looks. Kind of a different looking Blackberry compared to the other ones I have. Of course, I don't have a Blackberry next to me, but yeah, I guess we got this one. They're both Alltel phones too. See the size difference. So hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing, and stay tuned for the next one.